Back in 1951, John Martin brought O'Connor Bowl to the ECR community. In the 1960s, he made championship bowling popular on the CBC. Fast forward 65 years later, we have 1401 O'Connor, a 7-floor boutique building with tons of amenities. You can actually book those amenities on the One Valet app, which comes with this condo. This is a studio condo with parking and a locker, and I can't wait to show it to you. Stepping at the entryway into the kitchen, you have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. I love that there's full-size stove, dishwasher, and microwave hood fan, and even plenty of space for a standalone island. The other key factor of this kitchen is a pantry at your doorstep, so you do have that extra storage space right here inside the unit. We're inside one of the most functional studio spaces, over 400 square feet, and this unit has been fully updated. It has all the bells and whistles that you would want for extreme functionality. Oversized terrace with southeast facing views. You're really close to Topham, Willis Blair, and Pelham Parks as well, all within walking distance. Speaking of amenities, you have a party room, you have a roof deck with a gym and barbecue terrace. There's a yoga studio and even has visitor parking and guest suites.